This is Chris Skinner here live from InfoComm Las Vegas at Audio Visual Furniture International. We're showing off our MWS30 modular control room tables here. And on this side, it has a hinged grommet option. So here you can put all of your cable cubbies, you can do your cable management through there. It keeps everything tidy, out of the way. Access to it for cables to come out so you're not pinching anything. This comes in 3 different styles though. It also has one without any sort of the bells and whistles with the hinged grommets. Or we have this neat track system for our monitors in case you need to move those around. This is meant to be a sleek control room setup. It can be sorted in any which way you can imagine. And underneath it has about 3 or 5 RU rack space with a lockable PC box underneath. This is meant to keep all your electronics secure, neat, tidy, ventilated, and most importantly, make your workspace look fantastic. Once again, this is Chris Skinner here live from InfoComm Las Vegas. Please visit us at avfi.com.